Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Abdullah. I'm a third year medical student. As NEET exam date has been announced, it's going to be held on 26th of July. So students still have more than 2 months to study and score well in exam. There are some very important things, or it's kind of motivation I like to share with you. It might be helpful. I'm not someone at that position to be giving definite life advice, but I thought it might be helpful for you. Point 1. Ask yourself. It's most important, what's your goal? If it's to be a doctor, you have to prepare and do hard work to score well in the exam to grab a seat in government medical universities. It's simple, you know that. But you are not getting that motivation of study. Imagine the day of your exam, sitting on that lonely desk before the question paper being distributed. You will keep asking yourself again and again at every second, have I prepared enough? Why I haven't studied that day? I should have studied that day. Am I going to crack this exam? Many questions. If you have that feeling of fear now, right now, you will keep studying. You will keep rolling. You don't need to watch YouTube motivational videos again and again for hours and hours. They don't even keep you motivated for long term. But when you have that feeling of fear of that exam sitting on that desk, you will motivate yourself. You will keep studying. It will motivate at least at the end of your exam. So always imagine that situation. It will help you. Point 2. Try to keep your working place, studying place neat and clean. If it is messy or unclean, you will not concentrate, focus on your study. So try to keep your studying place clean. Third point, don't force yourself. Never force yourself. Don't try a routine which is not working for you. During this quarantine period, every student is at home. I think many students out there may be feeling distracted by the children or siblings in your family. So try studying at night. Everyone is asleep at night, no noises, no social media messages. You will concentrate and focus on your study. At the end of the day, the priority of you to do all the questions and cover all the syllabus of your NEET exam. Not following the routines, waking up in the morning. If it's not working, then don't follow. Try studying at night, late night, and sleep okay. Because you have to score well in the exam, so no one is going to ask you what time you studied or anything like that. So focus on your knowledge, gaining knowledge. Fourth, in the power of hope. Don't lose hope. Hope is a good thing, but keep the positive hope. If you follow the negative hope, you will end up with disappointment. These are the very important points. I thought it might be useful for you. If it is helpful for you, then you can share with your friends. They can also learn something from this video. I will be making videos about NEET exams. So be with us. Take care and bye.